What is good mga ka-champion, and welcome back to another video. Good morning, trading world. So, today's topic is very important, lalo na sa mga trader. May it be you are a beginner, intermediate, or even advanced at experienced trader ka na. Okay? So, today's topic, I think some of you guys, or I think most of you guys, if talagang involved kayo sa trading, siguro naman umugong sa inyo yung balita or dumadaan sa newsfeed nyo regarding someone, okay, na may partner siya na public figure, o sikat siya sa social media, that natalo siya sa trading, okay, specifically crypto, ng around, I don't know, a net loss of 1.8 million US dollars. Alright, so you can just do the calculation, no? So estimate na natin to 100 million. Okay, he also mentioned that from the last 2 years natalo din siya ng 150 million pesos. Alright, so we're not talking about here small amount, no? This is quite huge amount. Okay, pero ang pinaka main problem, okay, that everyone should be aware of, okay, hindi dahil sikat yung dalawa or hindi dahil public figure sila, it's because, okay, ngayon ang ingay na naman sa trading world, sa trading community, okay, hindi naman dahil maingay nakikisaw-saw ako or what. I just want to highlight this topic kasi here's one common problem na na-experience ng lahat, no, regardless of your experience or skill level to trading, okay, and that is how you cope up with losses, okay, small or big losses, meron yung consequences, di ba? Okay, wrong decisions may amount to or have a consequence of losing a percentage of your account, or worse, masunog yun. Alright, kung ako sa inyo guys, I'm not saying take all my words, no. This is just my personal reaction dun sa news, 'di ba? Sa nangyari. And it's quite sad kasi I myself as a trader, I've been trading for what? For the longest time, no. Almost lagpas na ng 10 taon. Pero I don't let myself lose that much. Sabi ko nga, tolerance ko na yung 10%. I will not be allowing my capital to lose 10%. If I lose, let's say in a day, nasa let's say 5%, and then kinabukasan natalo ulit ako ng almost near sa 10%, I will stop trading kasi bakit? There's something wrong, 'di ba? Probably there's some fundamental aspect na hindi ko control, or hindi maganda yung ko ngayon pagdating sa psychology ko, like maraming distractions. So if you want to be part of our global TFP VIP Champions community, you may want to check out my offered 3 programs. This might be able to help you be better on your trading needs. So for the option 1, this is the TFP Champion 90 Days One-on-One Mentorship Program. Again, this is done via Zoom and schedule is based on your convenience and availability. So this is really catered for those zero knowledge, basic, intermediate, up until to advanced. Syempre, kasama na rin dyan yung ating main strategy na sa VIP ko lang tinuturo, our TFP Champion System. For the option 2, this is the TFP Champion Masterclass Lessons. So I do understand yung dilemma sa karamihan na paiba-iba yung schedule nila sa work. So again, nagkakaroon tayo ng difficulty makapag-avail ng mga one-on-one mentorship. But take note, make no mistake, I have managed to prepare 28 masterclass lesson so you can learn at your own pace. Importante dito, these are all downloadable so you will have lifetime access sa mga learning materials na to. So walang excuse hindi mo matutunan itong TFP Champion System. And lastly, for the option 3, if you want more of a fast track, this is the TFP Champion Bootcamp. So we're going to meet 4 times per week session because this is a 5 weeks program. So again, everyone can learn the TFP Champion System. So you might want to check out these 3 options to cater your needs. So ang tanong, kung kayo guys, nagsisimula pa lang kayo or even experienced na, gaano kalaking amount na yung napatalo nyo sa trading? Alright? So, there's always a rule of thumb, personally, sa akin guys, personally, na I will not let my trade getting 10% in a single trade, of losing. Ibig sabihin, hindi ko dapat hahayaan, for me personally, na matalo ako ng isang trade amounting to 10% of my capital. Okay? So, ibig sabihin yan, meron akong specific rule or discipline sa sarili ko na I'm not letting loose. Dahil malaki account ko, I can lose this much. Again, we're not talking about here figures. We're talking about percentages. Alright? So, if sa inyo guys, meron kayong tolerance na 20%, kaya sabi ko, this threshold or this tolerance or this limit kung saan allowable kang matalo is subjective. Okay? Iba-iba tayo ng ng tolerance pagdating sa losses. Okay? For me personally, I will not let my account be having that loss of 10% on a single trade. So ibig sabihin, my allowable risk per trade is always less than 10%. Okay? Pero in normal cases, alright, on an average, I am not risking, alright, since malaki na account ko, sometimes I'm just risking less than 1%. Alright? So which means, so dapat hindi mo isantabi, yung risk management. Common traders na masyadong greedy, they're always excited how much money they can win on this trade. Okay? To a point na they put aside yung ating risk management and yung proper allocation ng lot sizing. Okay? So sa iba-iba yan, Pero ang point dito is yan ang problema kapag hindi ka aral sa trading. Okay? Yun lang ang puro dulo niyan. Kesyo dang meron kang 100 million na 50 million na kaya mong sunugin, if hindi ka talaga marunong sa trading, hindi ka talaga marunong Alright? Huwag mong gawing pag-practice yung malaking pera just to prove you are trading. Okay, marami kasi ngayon hype sa social media, 'di ba? Ang dami nang lumalabas sa kung sino-sinong vlogger na, alam mo 'yon, puro demo lang naman ang pinapakita. And worse is magtatayo pa sila ng mga academies, magtuturo, okay? I'm not against teaching people how to trade. That's a good step kasi they want to educate people, okay? Nothing against those people, Ang point ko lang dito, if you yourself cannot master your own strategy, don't expect someone, okay, to learn your strategy. And don't expect someone to be better using your own strategy. Yan yung lagi kong sinasabi. Iba pa rin yung subok na strategy. Iba pa rin yung may result. Okay? Huwag niyong gawing pangkabuhayan, gagamitin nyo yung ibang tao. Kasi yung iba kasi, the reason I don't want to put up any academy or trading like institution kasi for me teaching definitely I have courses, I teach, pero it's just my passion, okay? Pero not to a point na gagawin ko yung main business. Alright? So I have other things in business na pinagkakabalahan and also my personal trading. That's where I get my profits, di ba? So if I'm teaching, that means it's just me, okay, honing my skills lalo na sa communication and how I relay information sa tao. Because that's my passion. Yun yung gusto ko i-improve pa sa akin. Alright? It's not because I want to make money from you guys. Point ko dito, yung ginawa ng lalaki yun, social media, na he admittedly say na natalo siya ng ganong kalaking pera, let's say 100 million pesos, is, una, hindi niya capital lahat yun Hindi niya personal capital yon. Problema, may man nag-invest sa kanya and siya yung nag-trade. That's the biggest problem. Kasi, alam ko, itong guy na to, hindi naman talaga siya trader Okay, sumasabay lang siya sa hype ng crypto so that he want to what? He want to be tagged as trader from, getting rich from trading, hype the people, show off, flex. Problem, people trusted him. And apparently, he's not that experienced, okay? Kasi bakit? If he is that experienced, he will not allow himself to be losing that much, alright? He also admitted na greedy siya, okay? By nature, lahat naman tayo greedy. Pero problem is, pag wala kang risk management, you're not totally a trader, okay? Yun yung lagi nakakalimutan lahat. Everyone can execute a trade, everyone can draw lines, dagdag ka ng sangkatutak na indicators na nonsense, mangopya ka ng strategy ng iba, everyone can learn technicals. Pero if you are poor in trading psychology, emotion control, tsaka yung risk management, whatever strategy you have will not matter. Kaya nga ako, when I teach, laging bottom ng skill ang technical analysis. Kasi even a grade 1 student can learn my system. Ang pinakamahirap i-relay sa tao is how they will cope up, lalo na sa mga situation if they are losing, no? Yung trading psychology. Kasi trading for me is a mind game, di ba? It's a battle between the market and you. And malaking part dyan is kalaban mo sarili mo talaga. So, trading psychology and risk management, that is where the big money is. Okay? If you can control that, then 80% you're going to win sa market. Alright? Tanda mo yan. Hindi dahil meron kang MACD, hindi dahil meron kang tatlong moving averages, hindi dahil marunong kang gumamit ng Fibonacci, hindi dahil marunong kang gumamit ng stochastic, RSI, divergence, blah blah blah, all those BS logic strategy, no? Again, no disrespect. I just call it BS kasi I've used that, and for some reason it's not consistent, right? So you're just hit or miss kind of thing pagdating sa strategy na yun. So, going back doon sa mentality ng tao, ngayon, problem is paano niya mare-recover yun, di ba? Hindi niya pa pera yun, okay? But he was like showing off, he was like tagged as, trader to si ganito, no? Okay, he's trading multi-million in a day, earning profit multi-million, but also losing money multi-million. So, if he allow himself to lose and burn that whole capital na hindi naman pala kanya, okay, that's commonly the biggest mistake na may experience na as a trader, right? Lahat tayo dumaan sa ganon, pero again, you are stupid enough to think na na mababawi mo yun. I think napakaliit ng percentage na mabawi niyo yun, lalo na makabayad siya sa ibang tao. Unless umutang sa iba at pambayad niya yung utang na yun, di ba? Ipambayad niya yun sa utang. So, I don't know what's happening, no? Pero ngayon, nadudungisan na naman ang mundo ng trading dahil sa mga ganyang influencer kuno na nagtitrade. Kaya, that's how important mag-aral muna tayo bago tayo sumabak sa isang bagay. Right? Regardless kung trading man hindi. Regardless kung anong klaseng instrument tinitrade, no? May it be forex, crypto, futures, precious metals, etc. Alright? Again, something that may wipe out your fortune o kung anumang savings meron ka, make it to a point na strategic yung aral mo. Alright? Hindi pwedeng trip mo lang. Okay? Hindi pwedeng gawin mo lang siyang pastime. Okay? For some people, again, trading can be a pastime. That means, hindi sila nag-over leverage or hindi sila nag-over trade. Kasi alam nila yung, they know for themselves na hindi sila ganun kagaling and they're not confident enough to put more capital. Diba? So, I do understand that. And, ipagpapasunog kayo, for some reason, dahil masyado kayong greedy, nagpa-practice kayo, explore lang kayo, I think a base capital would be $100 would be fine. Okay? Hindi naman madidepress kayo sa $100. Not unless talagang sobrang hirap mo, yun na lang pera mo, no? And then, don't do that stupid thing na lahat yun isusugal mo sa trading. Okay? So, what's the moral lesson, guys? Whatever you do, okay, alamin nyo muna, guys. May it be business, trading, sa work nyo, okay? Kasi, anything na may result na success, laging may kakambalian na risk. Okay? Whatever we do, we always have that risk approach sa lahat ng bagay. Okay? Kahit nga sa pag-asawa o kaya sa paghahanap ng 'di ba, ng partner, 'di ba? Laging may risk kasi bakit? Possible hindi mo alam galing niya. Meron siyang background na hindi mo alam. Okay? Etc. etc. Or even naman sa company, 'di ba? Kung mag-work ka ngayon, maghahanap ka ng bagong job, ng new company, may risk din 'yun kasi bakit? You're investing your time, your expertise, your skills to a company na hindi pala sila ganun ka-stable or wala silang established pa na reputation. Okay, maraming ganyan, mga nagbubukas ng mga startup and they hiring someone, okay? So again, and another moral lesson is wag niyong gamitin yung pera ng ibang tao pang kapital dito sa ano nyo, sa trading. Lalo na kung hindi ka magaling, hindi ka experience, wala kang expertise, nagta-trial and error ka, huwag mong gawin pang practice yung pera ng ibang tao, guys. Alright? Kung hedge fund manager ka, that means you already on that level na kaya mo mag-handle ng multi-million account, okay, ng pera ng ibang tao. And that's another story. Pero kung pera mo yon, again, you all have the right na sunugin yon, no? Huwag ka lang mandadamay. Okay? Apparently for him, is hindi niya pera nag-invest sa kanya. I even saw one video na pinahiram siya ng 12 million tapos ginamit niya sa trading and then nasunog. Ngayon sinisingil na sila. And then anong kapalit? Okay, yung mga properties ng partner niya ang magiging parang kabayaran. Which yung partner niya hindi daw alam. Okay, so hindi man ako chismoso, no? Nakita ko lang, nabasa ko lang. Nagkaroon lang interest kasi related sa trading, di ba? So nakaka-shock. Okay, someone allowing themselves to lose that kind of money, that much amount of money na hindi pa nila pera is plain 100 or 200% stupidity. Alright? So, I'm sad for him, sad for the family and for his partner. Pero again, stupid is stupid, di ba? So, again, kaya I highly advise, guys, bago kayo pumasok sa trading, aralin nyo muna mga videos ko. Alright? Videos ng iba. Pero for sure sa videos ko, quality. Alright? I can assure you na marami kayong matututunan. From the 200 plus videos, I am sure you will get value dun sa mga tinuturo ko and sa mga contents ko. Okay? Mapapansin nyo, it's all about education. No? Kasi, I don't want to hype people. Alright? I don't want to show to people. I don't want to prove to someone that I'm better in trading. Okay? There's no point. For me, there's no competition kasi ang kalaban ko lang naman lagi sa mundong to, is sarili ko lang. Alright, guys? So, I don't want to compare myself to other traders. If they make more than I do, then God bless them and good for them. I'm happy for them. If I'm losing something this much, then it's my own problem. Diba? Walang involved ang ibang tao. Pero, kung nag-invest kayo doon, tapos susunog sila, gumagamit pa ng mga bot-bot, that's all BS, guys. They're just making money of you out of commissions, partnerships sa brokers, blah, blah, blah. Alam nyo na yan, guys. Marami nang nagka-enroll sa akin coming from those bot trading, EAs, AI, algorithm, blah, 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 na nasusunog sila, guys. Kasi bakit? Yung mismo nag-invest sa kanila na influencer kuno is what? Is hindi naman talaga magaling. Kasi bakit? Huwag niyong sabihin na wala ka nang gagawin, the bot will do for you everything, the AI algorithm will do for you everything. That's BS. Kasi bakit? Even how advanced technology now, right? Huwag mo sabihin walang gagawin yung tao. Kasi bakit? That's their hard-earned money. And, i-rely mo doon yung fortune mo to something, okay, na hindi mo control. Alright? Yun ang malaking risk. Alright? So, that's why I don't want other people to take risks na hindi nila control. So, I always a fan and I always have this advocacy na manual trading, it's your control. It's how you manage your thinking, your mentality, your psychology. Okay? Whatever happens, you're only yourself to blame. Diba? Wala. Ngayon, yung mga nag-invest dun sa mga bot, kung ano-anong algorithm na trading, pag nasunog kayo, sinsisihin nyo. Diba? Ang disclaimer lagi dyan, naglagay lang ako ng pera Tapos, diba sasabihin sa'yo, okay, trade at your own risk. Okay, that's given. Pero if you're not educating them, tapos papasaubaya mo lang dun yung mga tao na okay, they make money and 90% siguro lose money from that. Alright? So, Again, that's our business. I have nothing against them. Just to make it clear, and I don't care about them. Alright? So, kung ako sa inyo guys, aralin nyo muna. Mag-aral kayo ng mga videos from other people or from my videos. And if you really want to have a better guidance, no, again, go check out the description. I can teach you everything I know. For you guys, I help you to be better. Alright? This is not a promotion about myself, no, and my courses. Okay? I don't care whether you're going to enroll o hindi. Okay? So, again, if you just want lang naman, no, to be part of our global TFP VIP Champions community, legit community of traders, manual traders, no BS, walang ginagamit na bot, walang ginagamit na indicators, walang AI algorithm. We don't need that help. Okay? It's all about experience and honing your skills kasi skills talaga to. You may want to check out my offered 3 programs. So, I'm certain that this might be able to help you, know, be better on what level you are now on your trading whatever journey or needs. Okay, so for the option 1, this is the TFP VIP Champion 90-day one-on-one mentorship program. Again, this is done via Zoom and it's catered for zero knowledge, wala ka talaga alam. This for you beginner, intermediate to advanced. Syempre kasama na yung main system na hindi ko tinuturo publicly. So all about sa VIP ko lang tinuturo. And maganda dito, whatever, kung nasaan ka man sulok ng mundo, kung ano man time zone mo, convenience, doon nakadepende yung ating schedule. So, just let me know. Okay? And option 2, this is the TAP Champion Masterclass lesson. So, I do understand yung mga dilemma ng mga paiba-ibang schedules, lalo na sa mga healthcare, sa manufacturing, di ba? Nag-iiba-iba kayo, may shifting. So, this offer, this option 2 is quite suited sa inyo guys kasi I think the best option. I have managed to prepare 28 masterclass lessons. And it is all downloadable, lifetime access. So, kahit saan kayo magpunta, pwede nyo aralin, nasa barko man kayo, night shift, day shift, whatever. This is all lifetime access na pwede mong ma-download. So, walang reason hindi mo matutunan tong trading, no? Kasi everything is there. And you can learn at your own pace. Okay? Hindi tayo magkakaroon ng conflict pa rin schedule kasi you manage your own time, you download all the learning videos. Plus, don't get me wrong, kahit downloaded lang yung videos from me, you'll still have the access to be part ng exclusive VIP Discord community. Alright? So, you can have interaction with my other VIP students. So, hindi ka ma-out of place. And you will have a lifetime guidance from me. Alright? And lastly, for the option 3, this is the TFP Champion Bootcamp. So, para sa naman ang bootcamp? This is more of a fast track kasi this is designed for 5 weeks program. So, regardless kung beginner ka man o advanced ka na, ang gusto mong medyo slightly mabilis ang ating phase, we will be meeting 4 times per week sessions, a lot of charting, and application ng system. So, again, 5 weeks, that's quite fast, no, for you to learn. But I can help you on that. And obviously, guidance is always there. So, lahat ng alam ko from my experience and how to avoid losing that much na hindi kagaya niya na magpapatalo ka ng milyon-milyones. That's plain stupidity, as I mentioned. So, again, lahat ng to, kaya nating matutunan guys. It's all about learning first before application. Okay? Kaya, again, if you are not sure, okay, sa mga bagay na yan, you can always do self-paced training, alright, or learning. So, nandyan yung ating option 2, guys. Alright? So, again, quite interesting topic for today. Anyway, salamat sa panonood. If tanapos po tong video na to, God bless you. So, yeah, that will be it. Thank you so much to all my TFP BFP champion students all over the globe, subscribers, followers, and sa lahat po ng sumusuporta. God bless and see you all on the next videos. Bye-bye. Alright guys, so I just want to inform and announce that our TFE VIP champion student private Discord community is already up. And yeah, here we have several channels wherein we share our
technical trading ideas among each other. And of course, we also have our weekly trade ideas para sa ating mga weekly forecast para sa mga currency pairs and some announcement section. And of course, since tayo ay global, of course, we have other students as well na galing sa mga ibang bansa overseas. So, we introduce ourselves and introduce kung saan tayo galing, sa bansa tayo ngayon, OFW man o hindi. But nevertheless, this is a healthy community para mag-share ng mga trading ideas para sa inyo guys. And hopefully, I will be putting up a server publicly para sa mga baguhan naman and those mga followers and subscribers natin. Alright? So, yeah, this is just a minor announcement and hopefully guys, you can join us and make this community grow lalo na sa ating mga estudyante nag-aaral. Alright guys, so mga baguhan pa lang. But nevertheless, everyone here wants to learn, wants to make profits from the market. But as much as possible, we're all equal in the eyes of the market. Alright guys, so that would be it. So yun lang and thank you very much. Right, bye-bye.